Add a contemporary, creative flair to your home with Kitkat Tiles. At Amber, we offer a gorgeous selection of Kitkat tiles in an array of colours and finishes. Their slender, elongated shape creates visual interest and brings a modern twist to traditional mosaics. In bathrooms, Kitkat tiles add sleek styles to shower walls. Uniform vertical or horizontal installation gives a clean, spa-like feel. Kitkat tiles make a chic statements in kitchens too. Use them as an accent in a splashback or run them floor to ceiling for a captivating focal point. Their slim shape adds flair without overpowering the kitchen's aesthetic. Beyond kitchens and bathrooms, Kitkats jazz up entryways, accent walls, fireplaces, laundries and more. Their versatility matches their beauty. At Amber, our knowledgeable tile experts can help find your perfect Kitkat. We'll help with colours, materials, sizes, creative designs, and we can guide you on a professional installation. Looking for a contemporary twist? Ditch basic tiles and explore our beautiful selection of Kitkats at an Amber showroom near you. Why shop anywhere else? Amber has the answer.